Prospa is one of the hottest duos in house music right now. The lead space duo behind tracks like Free Your Mind, Don't Stop, and they are about to drop their debut album on Circle Local Records next month. Their sound combines festival-ready house with rave energy, soulful vocals, and that classic UK house sound, which sounds something like this. So after watching this video, you should be able to create a house track like this yourself. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and with that being said, let's get straight into it. All the sounds that I'm using in this video come from our brand new house producer pack called Pressure, and inside this pack you will find over 100 presets for Serum 2, a sample pack, project files, and much more. So if you're looking for some great house sounds that sound a lot like Prospa, then check out the pack using the link in the description or click the link over here, which goes to our website theproduceschool.com. Prospa is known to use very soulful and kind of old school vocals in their tracks, and you could look on platforms like Splice, but usually those vocal samples don't sound that great and really carry that old school feel. So I'm going to use a similar approach as Prospa does, and that's sampling a vocal from an old school record. There's a website called samplin.io which is really useful for this. It's basically a collection of a huge amount of tracks that have been sampled from vinyl or you can still find online, and it has a lot of categories, but it's easy to filter it down a bit. So for the Prospa style tracks, we're gonna search for something like an old school house record. So let's go for the electronic genre, and then for the style I'm just gonna type in house and select all of them. Now we can also select maximum a year. So let's put like 2003 so get that old school record, and you can also lower down the views maybe to around 3K so it hasn't been used that much. Apply, and then we can just flip through some random samples. Some of them might have vocals in them or some don't, but it's just a random kind of sample digging tool. It sometimes can take a while, but you can also apply some different filters, maybe filter on gospel or soul, which have a bit more vocals. Anyways, using that tool, I found this a cappella, which sounds really cool. Gotta have you show me love. I really think it fits the Prospa vibe. It's on this classic house music channel. It has a bunch of really cool old school records as well. You can even look for a cappella here, and then you will find some nice a cappella of songs. However, it's important to keep in mind that it's not really legally allowed to sample from these records and just put the vocal on your own track. You would need permission from the original author to release it, but usually the guys like Prospa that are a bit bigger, they get permission to release those tracks. For the purpose of this video, I downloaded the a cappella from YouTube, which sounds like this. You better hold on, so show me love, show me. And I'm gonna look for some nice parts that we can slice up and really use as a kind of main vocal, because I think it's a bit too long right now, but it definitely has some cool parts like here. Alright, so I cut up the vocal into this. It has a bunch of cool lines, and there's still some nice room for the rest of the track to play for like the drop. So this will be the pre-drop vocal. I miss it, I need it to make me feel alright. And then over here the drop will hit, and we have some separate hooks here. So you better hold on, so you better hold on, 'cause I'll be leaving soon. I think a vocal like this is a really great starting point and can spark a lot of inspiration. So let's start building a drop around it. I'm going to start with a kick drum. For this I'm going to use kick 9 from our Pressure pack, and it's a very analog punchy kick. And in this track called Free Your Mind by Prospa and Clooney, you can also hear this very aggressive, hard-hitting kick, but still with that old school feel, which is really cool. I think it's a bit too long, so let's shorten it a bit using the fade out function. Make it even shorter. In this way we have some room for the bass to play as well. Let's copy that and just create a simple 4 to the floor pattern. Maybe a double kick. That's cool. And let's copy this. I want to add a bit more high end to this kick drum, so let's add an EQ and boost a bit of the highs so we can kind of accentuate that click. And let's also apply an OTT to add a bit more multi-band compression, so it sounds really fat. Don't want to overdo it, but something like this. And let's drop down the volume with this fader to about -6 or something, with a kind of starting point. Now let's add a few claps to get a really full clap sound, starting with this one. A very clean analog 909 clap. Then this one. Maybe shift it a bit to the right for some pre-shift. And then let's copy this clap and create a reverse clap like this. Nice subtle pre-shift. And let's add a snare drum underneath that for some more body. Lowering down the volume. Something like that should do. I want to make this clap super wide, so I'm going to add a fruity stereo shaper on it, and I'm gonna apply the Haas effect, which creates a delay between the left and the right channel, so it sounds really wide. Like that. And let's add a bit of reverb before it to give it some room. And let's copy that reverb also to the snare. I think that one could use a bit of reverb as well. Perfect. Let's copy this a few times over. So we have 4 bars. Let's add these head loops. This one has a really nice kind of flanger effect in the sample. And let's also add this head loop, which is a bit longer, which is really low in volume. The drums in Prospa tracks sound really full, but still have that kind of old school sound to it. To achieve that, I'm gonna use some filler loops from our pressure pack, which can sound like this. And these are just very full drum loops that instantly add a lot of grit and character to the drum loop we had. Let's lower down the volume. Just making a lot of difference already. And then I'm gonna add another filler loop, which is this one. It's very old school. Let's lower it down a bit. See how that sounds with the rest. To add even more character to the drums, I added a bunch of ambient sounds like these. Some vinyl crackles and some like weird ambience. But this really helps to add some more character and old school sound to these drums. This fills up a nice bit of the space. Let's process all of these drums together. I'm gonna send all of these drums into a group channel, route to district only, and let's just call it drums and give it a blue color. I'm gonna apply a bit of saturation to these drums with FabFilter Saturn 2, just to squash these drums a bit more together, make them sound more like one thing. And let's just go for a tape preset, maybe just a warm tape one will work. And let's increase the drive. And now let's drag down the mix knob of this tape so we kind of get a parallel signal. So we have like 50% of the dry signal and then 50% mixed in with the saturation. Subtle, but it works. Now that the drums are ready, let's work on a bass line. For the bass sound, I'm going to use a Serum 2 with this preset from our pressure pack called Bass Forward. It's a very warm and kind of analog sounding plucky bass. Just perfect for this Prospa inspired track. I know that the vocal is in D minor, so let's write a bass line in D minor. And I think for a track like this with a very punchy and aggressive kind of kick, it would work well to play a lot of the bass notes exactly on that kick, create even more punch. So let's try that. Let's just start with a rhythm and then later on we can create a real melody. Just repeat this rhythm for the same for the both bars. Now let's try going up here maybe. That works. Let's copy that to here as well. Let's do a variation at the end here. Now let's add a bit of swing to this bass line with the main swing knob, and let's just put it at like 30 or 40%. Just to add a bit more groove. Now let's add a bit of processing on this bass. It doesn't need that much, maybe a bit more mids in the EQ. Works. And since this bass is clashing a lot with the kick drum, I'm gonna apply a kickstart 2 to it for some sidechain. But I'm using the bend function, so we only sidechain below like 200 Hz. But we still keep that punch and aggressiveness of the high end, which I really like. So let's try this. Let's add a bit more ambience to the track with this strings preset from our pressure pack. I'm just gonna put it on the root note. Create this kind of disco tension string that stays on the D. Typical house thing to do. Let's layer it underneath the bass line. It's great for breakdowns, but it also works in drops. Just gonna lower down the volume. Subtle. It works. In the Prospa track called Free Your Mind, they have this really cool sounding chord step. And recently we dropped our first plugin, which is called Rave. I will show it to you. It's a chord step rompler plugin with over 250 step sounds in there. So there's definitely a sound that can work for this track. Let's just start with layer 1 over here and let's just try some steps. This one could actually work already. Let's lower down the effects. And let's decrease the release a bit. Yeah, that's cool. Maybe layer it with like another step to add a bit more character to it. This one is cool, adds a bit more body, but let's lower it down. Let's try that. Just gonna follow a bit of the bass line, I think. See how that sounds. Pretty cool. Make the notes a little bit longer. Or just add a bit more release in the plugin. A bit more reverb. That's cool. Let's put that in a mixer slot and let's create an EQ low cut. Let's add a bit of crush and distortion in the effects. Make it sound a bit more old school. That's nice. Alright, all the sounds are ready. I just did a bit of coloring on the samples and the patterns to make it a bit more organized and just create a simple build up with the bass line with a high pass filter on it, the vocal and just a few elements just to give you an idea of how it can sound in a full track. I sampled this vocal shot from a Prospa track, which is a sample you can hear in like each of their records. I read somewhere that it's a splice sample, but I looked for it, but I couldn't find it that quickly, so I just sampled it from a Prospa record. And that's basically it for this track. Now let me play you the final result.
Show me, do you want me? Gotta have you. Show me your love. Show me, come and hold me. I miss it, I need it to make me feel alright. So you better hold on. So you better hold on, 'cause I'll be leaving soon. I might rather be with you. So before I go, show me love tonight.
I really enjoyed making this Prospa style track. I hope you enjoyed watching it too. If you have any questions about things that I did in this video that maybe went a bit too quick for you, then feel free to drop a comment and I will try to get back to you on there and help you with your productions. For now, I want to thank you guys so much for watching and I hope to see you in another video.